So the Touareg's in the workshop again. We're just getting ready to head to Drumclog tomorrow. So it's pretty much ready. There's no faults other than the suspension, which is normal. The window regulators we were going to try and sort, however, unfortunately, I need long Torx bits. My wee stumpy ones won't actually reach in and unbolt anything, so we'll need to order them. However, we were down at DNA today. DNA4 before had an open day. If you've heard of them, or if you've not heard of them, they are a company in the UK that's now starting to import parts or supply parts for Nissan Navaras. So we went down, checked it out. I didn't get a lot of photos because a few of my friends were there, so we ended up with a big massive catch up. It was a good laugh, definitely a lot of nice trucks, and we picked up a few little toys. We picked up a few toys for Rusty. Hang on, I'll spin this round. So we picked a set of used tyres. Not new, not the worst, still plenty of tread on them. Now what size are these? Hang on, it's probably easier if I show you. So what size are these tyres just now? Well, these ones that are on the truck just now are 33 inch tyres. They're 33 1250 17s. The new ones we've got 1250 17s. They're fucking huge. They are a huge difference. We also picked up, so these are -12 wheels. We also picked up -32s. Look at the depth. That is insane. So it's just a small little video, nothing major, no major updates other than the 37-inch tyres, the -32 wheels, and the fact that I look like I've not slept in a few days. So this is just a small update. I shall catch up with all you guys later. I'm going to put some photos and videos, not much, but just some photos and videos of the DNA 4x4 meet. Hopefully they do more. I really enjoyed myself. I will put the contact details for DNA. If you want to pick up a set of -32 offset wheels or wheels and tyres, give them a shout, tell them I sent you. We'll catch up with you guys later. Enjoy.